What's up, everyone? Welcome back to all of you that are returning, and welcome to all of you that are new. And I want to thank you so much, guys, for the support. So today I will be cleaning my bathroom here, and as you can see that I'm trying to put up this new liner behind my shower curtain, because the one that I have back there is very old. I had it over maybe 15 years, but I did keep it clean. And I just like the design that was on it. But it has holes and stuff in it now, so it was time for me to replace it. So I just, I think I showed you guys in a previous video the new shower liner that I got now. I picked it up at Ross. It was on clearance sale. And I'm not really crazy about it, but it'll work for now. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take the old one down and go ahead and put that in the trash. And the little pins that came with the old one here, I will be keeping those maybe for something else. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and put the new one up. And it was very stiff. It was kind of a little hard to work with because it was pretty stiff. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoy this video today, and I hope it gives you guys motivation as well. And yeah, but now I just about got it put up. I had to stand up on the side of the bathtub to get it put up. So I'm just going to use the same pins as I used with the shower curtain in the front, because with the other one I had two different sets of pins that I was using, and sometimes it will fall off. So I'm just going to keep it simple this time. So now I'm just going to go ahead and put this in the trash, and I'm going to get started with cleaning the bathtub. And I like to throw the shower curtain over the shower rod here, so I can get a good cleaning and get the shower curtain out the way. And I'm just going to go ahead and go in with my spray here. And guys, this is not Clorox that I'm using. It's the 409 and mixed with some water. So I'm just gonna use this in the bathroom too. Most of the time I use it in the kitchen. So yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe out everything down over here, wipe my towels down. It wasn't very dirty today, so it's just more of dusty than anything. So I'm just gonna go ahead and not shower, but rinse everything down with the shower thing here. And it's also time for me to replace that too, because it's leaking and everything from the head part. I do have one, but I don't want to put it up because I put this one up, and I didn't do a good job with it, so it's kind of, it's leaking and everything. So yeah, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and pull the shower curtain down, straighten everything out, and move on to the sink, get the sink all cleaned up. And also I'm going to be using the little container that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. I showed you guys in the last video, my grocery haul video. This is the container that I purchased for the purpose of putting toothbrushes in and toothpaste. And as you can see, I was using a tea can, and it was functional, but I didn't like the aesthetic of it. But it was also kind of tight, putting toothbrushes in and out of it. So I just wanted to find something else that would, give it a better look, and something that was easier to use. So, and I was afraid that it wasn't going to fit, but it was perfect. It was the perfect little thing. So now I'm just going to go ahead and wipe my sink down here. And I am using the same spray that I've used for the bathtub. And I'm just going to go ahead and wipe everything up here. And I don't know what it is, but it's something, I guess it's coming from the water. It leaves this pink orange type of stuff around the sink in the toilet. It does it in the kitchen as well. I don't know what that is. I don't know what it is. I guess it's just something in the water. So now I'm just gonna take this rag here and dry everything up, because I don't use the sponge to dry things up. And this sponge here is getting kind of old. It is shedding a little bit. So I'm just going to take the rag here and wipe everything up and wipe all this little green stuff that the sponge leave behind. And also I'm going to be replacing the hand towel over here. I replace those probably every two days. Yeah, 2 days. And yeah, and I'm also going to be putting in a new bottle of soap here. I picked this up at Dollar Tree as well. And I'm just going to take this little tissue thing here and wipe it out. Well, I'll use this for my tissue. And it gets very dusty and stuff like that. It gets hair and stuff all in it. So I'm just going to take everything off the back of the toilet here and wipe it down. It's very dusty. It does get very dusty around here very fast. So I'm just going to put everything back, and I'm going to also restock my tissue thing here. And I did pick this up from the Dollar Tree some years ago. So yeah, so I'm just going to once again use the same spray. I used it all over the bathroom, so nothing different, nothing unique. And I'm just going to, clean it out real good, give it a good brush down. And I'm going to also go in with my Clorox wipes here and wipe everything up. And that's it, guys. So now I'm just going to give it a good vacuum. I like to use my vacuum in the bathroom, well, all over my house actually, because when I sweep, dust flies everywhere. When you sweep, sweeps up dust balls and stuff, so they flies everywhere. So I just find it easier to just vacuum everything and just knock it all out at once. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video today, and I hope it motivated you guys to get some cleaning done. And I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.